Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the next topic of our chapter, collection and organization of data. The next topic that we are going to start is median. Median of ungrouped data. Let's understand what this median is. Whenever you got a data, after arranging the data in the ascending or descending order of magnitude means on the basis of the values. The value of the middlemost observation is called the median. Means the middlemost observation will be the median. Now calculating median, we have certain steps. The first step is arrange the data in ascending order. Second step is count the number of observation. And if the third step, the most important one, if n is equal to odd, means the number of observations are odd, then we have a formula n plus 1 th observation upon 2. Or if n is even, we have 1 upon 2 n plus 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. Don't worry, we will understand this formula with the help of figure, with the help of some questions. Don't worry for that. Coming to the question, this is example from your textbook. What does the example says? The runs scored by 11 members of a cricket team are given as follows: 25, 39, 53, 18, 65, 72, 0, 46, 31, 8 and 34. These are the runs scored by 11 players of a team. First step. Step 1. Arrange in ascending order. While arranging ascending order, we have to start from the lowest score. Lowest is 0. Then 8. After that 18. Then 25. 18 we have taken. 25 we have taken. 8 we have taken. Then 31. Then 34. After that 39. Then 46. After that 53. Then 65 and 72. Look, I was placing tick mark on the observation that I was writing here. In this way, we can keep a track that no observation is missed. Now count the number of observation: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of observations means n is equal to 11. Now tell me, 11 is even or odd? 11 is odd. So if n is equal to odd, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Put the value of n. N is 11 plus 1 upon 2th observation. 11 plus 1, 12 upon 2th observation. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Gives you 6th observation. This is not the answer. We have to write the 6th observation. Now look at the observations after the arranging in ascending order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is 6th. So 6th observation is 34. So our median will be 34. In this way you are going to do the questions. This was example number 1 from your book, the textbook. After that we are going to discuss more questions based on this. Now we are going to discuss a question, the second part of question number 1 of your book, of your exercise 21b. Find the median of the data is given. First step, what we have to do? Arrange in ascending order. Let's arrange. The first observation will be 6. then 8, then 9, 15, 16, 18, 21, 22, and then 25. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is equal to 9. And 9 is even or odd? Odd. Then median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Put the value of n. 9 plus 1 upon 2th observation. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 upon 2 gives you 5th observation. When you are going to solve this, you will get 5th observation. Now 5th observation, we are not supposed to check in this. We are supposed to check in after arranging in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th observation is 16. So this is the median.